Hi guys, today I am going to share one super effective remedy for sun tanning. Take 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of coffee and mix it with 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of honey. Make a smooth paste and apply it to your tanned area and keep it on for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, rinse it off using lukewarm water. So this was it for this video. Please like this video and subscribe to Beauty Tips by Name for more homemade remedies and wellness tips.